Hey y'all, it's Krissy, your InventoryLab Customer Happiness Manager, and tax season is here, so I want to share with you some tips to get ready with InventoryLab. Part 4. It's time to pull your inventory value. On January 1st of each year, your past year's ending inventory value from December 31st should be available to export from the Inventory Valuation Report. This report shows you your inventory value on specific dates for your active, inbound, and unlisted inventory. Let's talk a little bit about some facts for this report. Fact 1. This report does not update retroactively. This means it's very important to get your buy cost in before the end of the year when your December 31st report freezes for the day. Fact 2. The report freezes each day. While the report updates throughout the day with your inventory syncs, it becomes a report frozen in time with the last sync of the day. Fact 3. If you miss the deadline to get your costs in before December 31st, all is not lost. We got you covered with an article that details how you can still figure your inventory value for this day. Now, if you weren't a subscriber before this time, it's a little different, but we've got something for you as well. And that's all for now. You can find these resources in the link in our bio if you need them. See you soon with our next tax tip.